Hi class 8th. We just completed nouns and our next topic is pronoun. You might have studied pronoun in class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Once again we are trying to revise pronoun. Okay? So, what is pronoun? I will try to show you with an example. This is Ram is playing football. Then again I am writing Ram is my friend. It looks very odd if we keep repeating the same name again and again. So what could I have done that in place of Ram I should have written he. Okay, so in place of Ram, what I have wrote? He. Okay, so the word which is used in place of noun is called pronoun. I have written there the definition. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Such as if I say that lion is the king of animal, then again I say lion is very courageous. So in place of writing lion is a very courageous, I might have written it. Okay, so there are around 7 kinds of pronoun. And the first kind, which is very important, that is personal pronoun. That is personal pronoun, which is used for person and animals. Okay, let us see what is personal pronoun. See, when we talk, there are 3 kinds of person. One person is who is speaking. Second person is who is listening. And third person is about whom we are talking. So, me, myself is the first person. You, second person. And others are third person. मैं, first person. तुम, सेकेंड पर्सन, और हम दोनों को छोड़ के कोई भी, दैट इज थर्ड पर्सन. इट मे बी योर फादर, इट मे बी माई ब्रदर, इट मे बी अ लायन, इट मे बी अ गर्ल, बट ऑल दीज आर थर्ड पर्सन. सो आई हैव मेड इट अ चार्ट हेयर ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, दैट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन. इन प्लेस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट, इफ देयर इज सिंगुलर नंबर, वी राइट आई. If there are some also with me, then we write we. Personal possessive is mine. For plural, ours. For object, me. And for plural, us. Why I am saying this? Because pronoun can be used in 3 places. At place of subject, as I have written there. At place of possessive, जैसे this book is mine. Then mine is what? Possessive. Then it also come at place of object. जैसे he cheats me. He is at the place of subject and me is at the place of object. So for first person there are only these pronouns: I, we, mine, ours, me and us. For second person, the subject is you, either singular or plural. If there is one boy, then also I will say you, and if there is a whole class, then also I will say you all just silent. Okay. Then for possessive, yours. Then for objective also you. He cheats you. Okay, then comes third person. In third person, if there is a single boy, we place the pronoun he. If there is a single girl, we place the pronoun she. And if there is non-living thing or animal, we put it. But if there are more than 2 girls or more than 2 boys, then we will say they. Similarly, for possessive, his. For possessive she, hers. For it, its. Here I want to tell one more thing. You also make such mistakes, and what is that thing? IT'S. It is the short form of it is. Okay, so this is entirely different from its. Then if there are more than two, we write there, THEIR, and you make a mistake. What you write? There. There means वहाँ, और ये देर का मतलब हुआ उनका, their bag. Then for objective case, if there is a boy, we write him. If there is a girl, we write her. And if there is any non-living thing, we write it. But if more than one or two, we write them. So these all are called personal pronoun. After that, second come distributive pronoun. This is used for numbers. And distributive pronouns are basically either, everyone, all, no one. All these are distributive pronoun. Then indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? They do not tell about a particular person or particular thing. किसी एक particular आदमी के बारे में नहीं बताते, कोई भी हो सकता है, XYZ. जैसे anyone, nobody, anybody, all these are what? Indefinite pronoun. After that comes reflexive pronoun, which is also called emphatic pronoun. There is a difference between reflexive and emphatic. Reflexive and emphatic pronouns are like myself, himself, themselves, ourselves. But there is a minor difference. When we are talking about reflexive pronoun, that means the action is done on the subject, or it reflects subject, such as we ourselves are to blame for this purpose. हम पे ही इसका blame लगेगा, या हम ही इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. But what is emphatic pronoun? It is used to show emphasis. जोर देने के लिए कहा जाता है, किसी बात पे फोर्सफुली कहने के लिए कहा जाता है. जैसे I did all these myself, ये सब मैंने किया, और I did all this myself, तो ये अपने पे जोर देने के लिए है. So it is a little bit different from reflexive. Okay, but they use myself, themselves, himself. Okay, after that there comes interrogative pronoun. You know, questions are called interrogative pronoun. We use there who, which, all these. Okay, then there is demonstrative pronoun. They demonstrate, they indicate anything. Demonstrative pronouns always indicate anything, such as that book, those books, this book. So that is why I have written there this, that, those, etc. Then there comes relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are used to combine two sentences, such as I saw a man who was blind. I saw a man whose purse was stolen. I saw a man whom police was chasing. So these are who, that, which, whose, etc. One thing I made a mistake. I put up the wrong numbers, serial numbers, such as it was 2, it should be 3, it should be 4, it should be 5, 6 and 7. And one more thing I just want to mention here. You might be thinking, why sir has not told us about my, our. Beta, my is not pronoun. It works as an adjective, such as my book. It should be theirs. Okay, and our book. this is adjective. If it is exactly coming before the noun, so I told you that is always adjective. So in this way we have 7 pronouns, starting from personal pronoun to relative pronoun. I hope you might have understood. Now I'll give you some exercises related to it. Bye.